What if everything you believed about hormones and cancer was built on the wrong study, using the wrong hormones from the wrong source? Today, I am going to give you the full picture: the bones, hormones, food, cancer risk, and the one estrogen almost nobody is talking about. I am Dr. Ahmet Ergin. I am a board-certified endocrinologist and founder of Diabetes, Thyroid and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I see women every day who are exhausted, gaining weight, losing sleep, and being told that their labs are normal. They're just getting old. Normal is not the same as optimal, so let's fix that. The fear around estrogen started in 2002 with a Women's Health Initiative study. Headlines exploded. Women threw their prescriptions away. Doctors stopped prescribing, and the entire generation suffered unnecessarily through the menopause. Here's what those headlines never told you. That study used actually synthetic progestins and hormones derived from a horse urine, not bioidentical, not human. When researchers looked at the arm of that same study using estrogen alone, no synthetic progestins, breast cancer risk dropped by 23%. Yes, the study was reported incorrectly. They corrected multiple times. They tried to make corrections multiple times. But the products they have used were synthetic, not the ones we use in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, but they extrapolated that study results to every other product in the market, which is not scientific at all. Obviously, that study, since the general public doesn't know, even most doctors don't know much about hormones, then everybody panics, obviously, right? It's bad for you. That's all they say. Scared everybody off. Estrogen was actually evidence for it. The study that scared women off estrogen was actually the evidence for the benefits when used correctly. So here's the absolute risk, the numbers that really matter. So let's talk about numbers. The baseline lifetime breast cancer risk for a woman is not low. It's 12 to 13% sometimes. Bioidentical estrogen combined with micronized progesterone showed zero statistically significant increase in a 80,000 women French study. Meanwhile, insulin resistance can double or triple your breast cancer risk, sometimes up to 500% in some studies. 2 drinks of alcohol per day raises it by 50%. Dense breast tissue raises it up to 200%. And yet, nobody is having scary conversation about those things. The fear has been completely misdirected. What about the estrogen that nobody talks about? First of all, your body makes 3 estrogens: estradiol, estrone, and estriol. Most conventional therapies only replace one. Estriol is the protective estrogen, the one produced in massive amounts during pregnancy, the one that actually competes with more aggressive estrogens at the receptor level. Our hormone center, we use BS, right? 80% estradiol, 20% estradiol. That's why it's a bi-estrogen, right? BS. A compound, basically bioidentical, customized for your body. Not one size fits all patch. It's precision medicine. So your hormones, your dose, your results. And we monitor the results, obviously. But let's talk about what menopause is really doing to your bones. And here's something most women don't feel until it is too late, until they break a bone, basically. But bone loss begins rapidly at menopause because estrogen is what keeps the balance between bone breakdown and bone rebuilding. By the time osteoporosis is diagnosed, damage has often been happening for years silently. So bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, in short BHRT, when started early, can preserve bone before it's gone. Prevention is always smarter than damage control, right? So estrogen does more than that. It actually protects your cardiovascular system. It supports your brain function. It improves your insulin sensitivity, and it reduces the very metabolic dysfunction that drives the disease. So, as you know, food is a hormone signal. So you cannot out-prescribe a bad diet. So protein at every meal is non-negotiable. So your hormones are literally built from amino acids. They're peptides. Colorful vegetables feed your gut microbiome. which directly regulates estrogen metabolism. So pay attention to that. Thyroid function, insulin sensitivity, they're all affected from your gut microbiome. Omega-3s support your cortisol regulation and heart health. Iodine and selenium protect your thyroid. And cut the processed food and the added sugar and the alcohol. They're quietly doing more hormonal damage than most people realize. Remember, your hormones are not your enemy. Untreated menopause is your enemy. It has real consequences on your bones, your brain, your heart, and your quality of life. So you deserve accurate information, not some decades-old fear-based on a flawed study. But if you're in Florida, come see us. We do a complete hormonal evaluation, not a quick lab check. You can visit tcendo.com, or call 772-398-7814. You can text as well. So that's enough. You have been putting yourself last long enough. Let's find a solution.